Hey everyone, it's Justin. I'm going to teach you all how to play Solitaire. I don't know if I should really be, you know what, I'm going to be posting this on my main channel and my gaming channel because why not? You know, it's still a game and everything. It's teach you all how to play Solitaire. Another one of those computer games that used to be on your computer all the time. I'm just using what came with my computer. There's two different ways you can play this. You can do draw one or draw three. I'll describe what that is, but I'm just going to play easy mode just to show you all how to play the concept of it. So draw one means when you draw a card, it's going to show up here either as three cards or one card. I don't know necessarily which one's easier or not. These four boxes up here, you want to line up in order from ace to king um, based off the suit. So I want to get all the ace to king of hearts in one of these boxes. And the way we do that is right off the bat, we have a couple aces. We want to place those up. But before I do that, I want to show you what you can do to move them. See, it's already telling me I can move it there. Uh, you can move the cards in order based off color. So this 2 is a black and this ace is a red. So I could place that there. This 5 I can place here. So you're putting red on black or you're putting black on red. You cannot put red on red or black on black. But when you get an ace, um, you can double click it, put it up here. You can still pull down if you need it to kind of help you out, but that goes up there. This goes up here, so now I got to start adding to the ace. So this 2 is already there, so bam, put that up. And you kind of move the cards around based off the color. So like at this 8 and the 7, we notice we can't do anything else. Oh, we can move this 4. This 2 can go up there. And in these empty spaces, you can put kings, which we'll get into later. If you kind of just want to move around, kind of figure out if you can do any more. Looks like I'm stuck. I can put this 4 down here, though. We can draw another card. And like I said, this is on easy mode, so it's obviously going to work out pretty well. We got another ace, so let's put it into that top portion. So the next one, so we need a 3 of hearts, a 3 of spades, 2 of clubs, and we keep going. Let's see. Anything we can do. 5. We can put that down. Do that. We can move this thing. Move this. This. We can do this. Oh, we had 2 diamonds there. Oh, there's our 2 of clubs, so we can put that up there. Now we have 2 empty spaces. Let's see if we can move anything. I'm just going to move the king over here to open up this spot. So now we have 2 empty spots where some kings can go. Am I missing anything? Just kind of keep moving things around. Oh, we got our diamonds. Let's put that there. So we have our 2 diamonds here, our 3 diamonds here. And you just order it up here. That's pretty much all we're doing. That's pretty much how you play. Let me just finish this game for y'all so y'all can see what it looks like at the end. I'm not the fastest person, but I don't play this that often. However, I do not play. Is that? I don't want to put that there. We'll see. 3 clubs, 4 spades, 5 spades. Just keep looking for those. There. Hearts, 4 hearts, 4 hearts. Keep looking up. Oh, we have 5 clubs, hearts. We just keep adding. I don't know if this is the best strategy, but we'll see. Keep this going. Let's go do that. We should watch that. So we can go here. Let's see. So I can actually get rid of the 8 if I bring this down. No, we're unlocking things. Just do that. Jack, get rid of 10. And from here I can finish. Let's close that. And right here, I believe I am done. Now it's just a matter of just clicking everything Um, I'm just double clicking, but we know it's done because all of them are lined up. Um, and we just go through, and now we just got to put all the kings. And that's the game of Solitaire. This one was an easy one, but that's how you play Solitaire. And then you always get this little cool animation at the end. I don't know what the heck this one is. Usually the cards come down. You'll see that. That's how you play Solitaire. It's pretty fun. Uh, Pretty easy game. Hope you all enjoyed how to play it. Very simple. Usually there's tips inside the game, but just to show you how to play. It's just really fun. Alright, well take care. Have a good rest of your day, and hopefully you enjoyed my Solitaire gameplay.